Should be recording now, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
How about me?
Still recording.
This is the first run, so one would hope.
For the video, ready? All right. Are you ready to go?
Sure. So this is interesting. I am skiing without goggles and without poles, and it is snowing. They're on my neck.
Here, you want
He
a pole?
decided he was
No,
annoyed by them.
I don't need a pole. One pole will do me no good.
All right.
And will do you no good either. Come on. No need to inconvenience both of us. Alright. No, the goggles are the bigger problem, but they're soaking wet. And I don't know, you ever put have you ever taken wet foam and applied it to your face? Yeah. It's bad.
Ignore it.
I might need to put them on whether I like it.
Yeah.
Let's see how this run goes. Good.
Okay. Goodbye, camera. Oh my god, this powder is terrifying. Where are they?
There you go. Keep those hands in front. Push them out. You got it.
I think that's them? Maybe? Cannot tell. Oh no, that guy has poles. Maybe they went ahead of me. Are you okay? You okay?
Ready? Follow me just like this. A little bit, close up, a little bit.
Hey!
Snowing on powder is scary. Wonder where they are.
Good job. Gotta go straighter more. You're gonna run out, you're gonna stop anyway. Right down to the bottom, just don't kill nobody.
Where are they?
Put our shit down there.
I still have absolutely no idea where they are. That looked like Andrew, but it's not him because he's not got a GoPro on his head. What the heck? Where are these guys? I'm gonna wait. I don't want to call them while they're on the hill. Also, riding on powder, you gotta have really soft legs. Otherwise, you just go bumping and cruising and flying off things that you didn't expect because the snow isn't packed yet. It's like moguls everywhere. It's scary. But yeah, still no idea where this guy is. Maybe I should have stuck with them. I'm a little bit worried, to be honest. I hope Mr. Fedorov didn't fall and hurt himself. I wonder if I got a text message. Maybe I should go up and down the mountain one more time. I'm gonna check my phone. Let's see. Oh, there he is.
Little pro tip. If you're skiing with someone, you ski with them.
I didn't realize he'd be so far up. Did Mr. Fedorov fall? What
I
happened?
was adjusting stuff, and then you have to look, you have to look back once in a while.
Oh, okay. I looked back and I saw another guy with an orange helmet like yours skiing without poles, so I figured you passed me.
Oh.
So I was following the guy, and then it wasn't you. And I was like, oh shit, I'm at the bottom of the mountain, I don't see these guys anywhere.
Yeah.
like 3 more guys with a similar helmet to yours passed by, and I was like, oh wait.
Somebody came out of the men's room with a blue jacket and red helmet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no,
not you.
wrong red helmet.
Yeah, so yeah. Sorry about that, but like